It was a busy Saturday morning, and Mark was excited to help his mother at the market. He loved seeing the colorful fruits, vegetables, and other interesting things people sold. Mark and his mother walked to the market carrying a big reusable bag. "What do we need today, Mom?" Mark asked. His mother smiled and showed him a list. "We need apples, bananas, carrots, and bread," she said. As they reached the market, Mark saw stalls full of fresh fruits and vegetables. "Wow, look at those red apples," Mark said, pointing to a shiny pile. They stopped at the fruit stall. "Good morning," Mark said to the seller. "Good morning," the seller replied. "Would you like some apples?" "Yes, please. How much are they?" Mark asked. "They are $2 per kilogram," the seller said. Mark helped his mother pick 6 red apples. Then they moved to the vegetable stall. "Mom, these carrots are so orange," Mark said, laughing. "Yes, they look fresh," his mother replied. "Let's buy some." After getting the vegetables, they went to the bakery stall. "Hello, can we have a loaf of brown bread, please?" Mark's mother asked. The baker handed them a warm loaf, and the smell made Mark smile. With their bag full, they decided to buy one last treat: bananas. "Bananas are my favorite," Mark said as he placed a bunch in their bag. On the way home, Mark felt proud. He helped his mother and learned about buying things at the market. "Good job, Mark," his mother said. "Next time you can make the list," Mark laughed. "Okay, but only if we buy bananas again."